What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl. One of the reasons why a lot of people lose some weight but then revert back to old habits is because their purpose is not strong enough. A lot of people like to lose a lot of weight here for vacation or for a birthday or for a special occasion, which is completely fine. But in order to achieve a permanent life of having a fit body and being healthy for the rest of your life, your purpose has to be so much bigger than that. You have to make sure you're doing it for the long run. You're doing it for you. You're not doing it for anybody else. You're not doing it for a birthday, for a party, for a special occasion. You're doing it because you need to become fit. So when you have this big purpose in your mind, you will do everything you have to do to eat healthy and to get to the gym, and that purpose will make you unstoppable.